How to find referral code in Pi Network. Quick and easy. So in order to find your referral code in Pi Network, simply just go log in into the Pi Network app and navigate to the referral section. From there, you can find and share your unique referral code with others. You can also typically find your referral link in the app settings or reward sections. Now, there are other ways in order to find referral code as well. So for that, you can actually use and find codes from different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and many more like Reddit or Quora. And as you can see here, they even have Pi Network referral codes. So you simply just create your account, navigate to security account, and then you can see there, you can locate your referral code on the tab as well. If you go to the app itself. Now from the app itself, it gives you simple and fast the referral code. You can just see it easily. It's very fine to locate. Now in order to find the referral code faster, simply just go to your app. And as you can see here, they even have a lot of referral codes and you can use them for yourself. As you can see, there's another one. There we have one. You can use this referral code for Pi. And if you don't want to, you can always get your own referral code. And that's how you can basically find referral codes for Pi Network.